Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about vectors in the plane, and I guess to start off with, if we had a vector written like this, what that means, this is x, this is y, and it's a vector that starts at the origin and goes to the point 3, 2. Okay. We could also, so this is called component form. We can also write that as, we have something called a unit vector I, which is, it's one unit and it's purely in the x direction. And then we also have a unit vector named j. It's one unit and it's purely in the y direction. If we do that, we can write it in unit vector form. So the same vector would be 3i plus 2j. Because to get to this point, we have to go 1, 2, 3 in the x direction and 2 in the y direction to get to that. Okay, now we're given a graph. Starts at the origin, goes 1, 2, 3, 1, and that's called A. Then we're back here at -1. We start up at 2. Then we go up 1, over 1, 2, 3. C and B. Okay, so it says write vectors OA and vector CB in component form and in unit vector form. Okay, so component form, this first one we just go, our x value is going to be 3, our y value is going to be 1. So we kind of think of it like slope. We just want to know how much it's different from the starting point. And once we get it in this form, it's easy to see that it's 3i plus j, because our x value is 3 and our y value is 1. Now this, we have to go 1, 2, 3 in the x direction and 1 in the y direction. And so these are actually the same vectors. Okay. Once again, it doesn't matter where a vector starts, it just matters the direction and how long it is. Okay. B, comment on your answers in A. We already did. We said they're the same vector. If you need additional help, please come to Math Lab. Until then, calculator.